man liberally and obeyed not, and it shall be given him. Luke chapter 10 verses 27. Thou shalt love the Lord thy God with all thy heart, and with all thy soul, and with all thy strength, and with all thy mind, and it shall be, and thy neighbor as thyself. Thou shalt love. Luke chapter 10 verses 27. Thou shalt love the Lord thy God with all thy heart, and with all thy soul, and with all thy strength, and with all thy mind, and thy neighbor as thyself. James Crab Hashwa. La 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 lily. James chapter 1 verses 5. If any of you lack wisdom, let him ask of God, that giveth to all men liberally, and upbraideth not, and it shall be given him. Luke chapter 10 verses 27. Thou shalt love the Lord thy God with all thy heart, and with all thy soul, and with all thy strength, and with all thy mind, and thy neighbor as thyself. Down at the bus stop, crab it ma. Down at the bus stop early in the morning. See the yellow buses starting in a row. See the bus driver starting up the engine. Ding, 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 and off we go. There was an old woman who lived in a shoes. She had so many children she didn't know what to do. So she gave them some bread without any bread. Then she whipped them all and